In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Myfxbook public. If you want to share your trading performance for accountability, transparency, or to showcase results to followers or clients. Myfxbook makes this easy with a few permission settings. I'll walk you through each step clearly so you know exactly what to expect and what each option means before you publish anything. Start by opening your system page. First, log into your Myfxbook account. Once you're in, go to your trading account or system page, the one that holds the results you want to share. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're on the correct system so you only expose the data you intend to make public. Next, open the settings for that system. Look just above the gain chart on the page. You'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Click it to open the configuration area for your system. This is where Myfxbook keeps all the controls for visibility, data display, and other preferences related to the account. Now move to the Permissions area. Inside Settings, find and click the Permissions tab. This tab controls what parts of your system are visible to the public. You'll see toggles for items like balance, equity, history, and more. Turning a toggle on makes that specific data point publicly viewable, while turning it off keeps it private. Here's a quick guide to help you choose thoughtfully. Balance shows the amount in the account excluding floating profit or loss. Equity shows the real-time value including open positions. History reveals your closed trade log, which is useful for transparency but may include sensitive details you don't want to broadcast widely. Many traders share overall performance charts and summary stats while keeping detailed history or open trades private. Consider your goals and your audience, and only enable what you're comfortable sharing. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Save. This applies your permissions and updates your system's visibility. After saving, the public view of your system will reflect only the items you switched on. Viewers will see the toggled stats, and if you've completed them previously, any verification badges will appear as usual. That's all there is to it. You logged in, navigated to your system page, opened settings, adjusted the permissions, and saved your choices. If at any point you change your mind, you can return to the same Permissions tab and update the toggles again. Be mindful of privacy, compliance, and what story your data tells. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share your Myfxbook profile with clarity and confidence.